Hello, the students of class plus 2. Now we are going to start the new chapter, electrical capacitance. What is electrical capacitance? That is एक कंडक्टर की कैपेसिटी, कंडक्टर क्या खा सकता है? कंडक्टर कैन हैव चार्ज. इट मीन्स व्हाट विल बी द कैपेसिटेंस, कि वो जितना चार्ज ले सके. मीन्स electrical capacitance of any conductor is the ability to store the electric charge. If we give the charge to any body, that will increase its potential. It means if we go on giving the charge to the body, the potential will go on increase. Means charge and potential both are proportional to each other. So let us suppose Q is the charge given to the body, और उस टाइम पर V जो है उस बॉडी का क्या है? पोटेंशियल. कितना पोटेंशियल हो गया? पहले 0 था, नाउ पोटेंशियल इज V. तो Q इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू V. तो Q बाय प्रोपोर्शनलिटी साइन अगर हमें रिमूव करना है तो वी हैव टू पुट कांस्टेंट. हेयर C इज ए कांस्टेंट एंड दैट इज नोन एज कैपेसिटेंस. तो हाउ वी कैन डिफाइन कैपेसिटेंस? तो हेयर जस्ट वी एज्यूम दैट इफ V इज 1 वोल्ट तो Q इज इक्वल टू C. In this way we can define capacitance, that capacitance of any conductor is equivalent to, numerically equal to, that amount of charge which is required to increase the potential of the body by 1 volt. तो अगर हमें बॉडी का 1 वोल्ट पोटेंशियल इंक्रीज करना है तो whatever amount of charge is to be supplied to the body, that is equivalent to capacitance. So what is unit for the capacitance? That is farad. Farad is the unit for the capacitance. तो C is equal to Q upon V हम लिख सकते हैं, क्योंकि Q is equal to क्या था? CV. तो 1 farad equal to 1 कूलम upon 1 volt. Means अगर किसी कंडक्टर को by giving 1 coulomb of charge it increases the potential of the body by 1 volt, तो उस कंडक्टर का जो कैपेसिटेंस होगा इट मीन्स दैट इज़ 1 फैरेड. तो वो कंडक्टर 1 फैरेड कैपेसिटी का है. व्हाट आर अदर यूनिट्स? अदर यूनिट्स आर माइक्रोफैरेड एंड पिकोफैरेड. 1 माइक्रोफैरेड इज इक्वल टू 10 to power minus 6 farad. 1 picofarad is equal to 10 to power minus 12 farad. Now we will find the dimensions of the C. The dimension of the C is equal to dimension of Q upon dimension of V. What is dimension of V? By putting the formula V is equal to कितना होता है? W upon Q. That we have studied in the 3rd chapter. And in this way it is Q square upon W. What is Q? Charge. Charge किसके इक्वल होगा? I into T. I is the fundamental quantity. उसकी नोटेशन क्या है? A. तो A into T. तो this is Q square, that's why A square T square, and this is the dimension of the work that we have studied in plus 1, and in this way this is the dimensional formula for the capacitance. Now we will find if we have a conductor of spherical shape. Spherical conductor है, isolated spherical conductor है. How we can find the capacitance? तो consider a conductor that is spherical conductor of radius r. Let us suppose we are supplying Q charge to this spherical conductor. So in this way, what will be the electric potential of the spherical conductor? That is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon r. तो what is the capacitance of this conductor? Capacitance का formula क्या होता है? That is Q upon V. In this way, this is the formula for the capacitance of a spherical conductor which is of radius r. It means capacitance spherical conductor की it depends upon only radius r. Let us suppose we have taken a spherical conductor of 1 farad capacity and we have to find its radius. So how we can find? R is equal to C upon 4 pi epsilon naught. C is 1 farad. तो 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. इसकी वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 9 into 10 to power 9. दिस इज मच ग्रेटर देन द अर्थ रेडियस. इट मीन्स कि अर्थ की रेडियस से बड़ा कैपेसिटी कंडक्टर है और उसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है? 1 फैरेड. इट मीन्स इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल टू हैव a conductor of capacitance 1 farad. So farad is a very big unit. So that's why we always use smaller units, microfarad, picofarad, etc. Now, what is the principle for the capacitor? What is capacitor first of all? Capacitor क्या है? It's the arrangement to store large amount of charge. Means if there is any plate, that is conducting plate, and it is on the insulating stand, we go on giving charge. क्या होगा? Its potential will rise, and धीरे धीरे इसका पोटेंशियल इतना हो जाएगा, it will start repelling the charge. Means now it is at the saturation level. We cannot give more charge. Now what we will make the arrangement? We will put another conducting plate parallel to it, nearer to it. Due to induction, यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव है तो कंडक्टर के इनर साइड पर देयर विल बी नेगेटिव चार्ज, and on the outer side there will be positive charge induced. These are the induced charges, and this negative charge will lower its potential and this positive charge will increase its potential, but ultimate effect of this negative charge is more, and that's why its potential will decrease and we can give more charge to this capacitor. Now if we join this conductor to earth, means we have earthened this conductor, so due to attraction this negative charge will remain there on this conducting plate, but outer positive charge will go into earth, and ये negative charge इसका potential decrease कर देगा and its potential will decrease considerably, and that's why we can give more and more charge, and in this way we have made an arrangement to store large amount of charge by putting the two parallel plates together. And now we will see how many types of capacitor we can make. So there are three types of capacitor. If we put two parallel plates together, so this is parallel plate capacitor. Second plate is earthened. If we put two spheres around each other and outer sphere is earthened, so this is spherical capacitor. If we put two cylinders and outer cylinder is earthened, so this is cylindrical capacitors. In the next video, we will find how the parallel plate capacitors will work and how the capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor is derived. Thank you.